Hello everyone. What's happening? Hi there. Welcome. Today in additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, July the 30th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 binary, 2 tectonics. 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and 1 binary we have here. Those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve today. The rest of the puzzles I will do it tomorrow, because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper on Sunday. So let me start with the first one. The Sudoku with 3 stars. And this 3 stars Sudoku will be number 4934. 4934. 4934. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have less than 25, and you are faster than this one with 25. It depends, because sometimes you have a lot of pairs or hidden numbers. Then you need more time to solve. Alright, 3 stars puzzle. I need for a 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limits. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. We have here 2 1s. We have here 4 2s. Alright. We have here 4 3s. 3 4s. 3 5s. 2 6s. 2 7s. 2 8s and 2 9s. So the 3s and the 2s are in majority. So let me start with the 2s and the 3s. Can I start with the 2s and the 3s? That's my question. No. Difficult with the 2s and 3s. Yeah, 2. Yeah, with the 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row will be 3. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2. Okay. 2 2 2. 2 2 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. With the 3 will be difficult. Let me see. 3 3. No. 3 3. No. Okay. Let me try another digit. We have here 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. And look. We have the 6 and the 9 here in this column. So no 6 and the 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 9. It goes there. 9, 9, okay. 6, 6, 6. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes here. 6 in the second column, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait for more information. Alright. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Okay. Cannot continue with the 4. 7, 7, 7, 7. 8 could be everywhere. 9 could be everywhere. Oh wait. 3. Let me think. Think. 8. No. Yeah. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in this column, so no 7 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in the first row, so no 8 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 8 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those two boxes with the 1 and 3. Alright. Okay. We have a pair. 4 and a 6 in this third row. 4 and a 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. 4 and a 6. That means 1 box left in the first row for number 5. Okay. Alright. And we have a pair again. 5 and a 6 in the third column. 5 and a 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 5 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 5 and a 6. So the other two numbers should be the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box gave me 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2. 3, 3. And the 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 7 and 9. Okay. 7. 6, 6, 6. 8, 8, 8, 8. I'm scanning. The 5. No. Yeah. 7. 6, 6, 4. 3, 3. 2, 2. The 2. 2. Interesting. 4 should be here. 4. 4. I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck. Come on. It's taking too long. 5, 5. Well. 1, 2, 8. 8. Well. 8, 5, 1, and 3. 3. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, and 7. Come on, it's taking too long. 1 7, no, 1 3, 1 3 and 8. 1 3 and 8. Ah, 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 3 8, 1 3 8, and look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this column. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. I cannot fill this yet, but 1 digit left. 1 3 and the 8. Yes, should be the 8. 1 and a 3. Okay. Let me see. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. No 8, no 8, no 8. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 8. Well, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this row should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. So 1, 2, the 2 is missing. 2, and 6 is missing. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 6 in this column. So no 6 there, here 6 in that column. So no 6 there, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are missing. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, 1. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. So, the 1 and the 3. Okay. So 3, 3, 7, 7, 7. Yes, 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this second column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. 7, 7. Then 1, the 9. Missing the 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7 and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 189, 189, and look, we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 9. Should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Wait. So I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Alright. Do we have all the 8s? Let me count. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. One box left in the third column for number. The 1 is missing. So we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this. Oh, cannot. Oh, yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Cannot fill this yet. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in the second row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there in this column. So no 3 in this box. So the 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Alright. Okay. And now. Let me see. Oh, overlooked. 4 and a 6. We already have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 4 goes here. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. So 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the, oh no, the 6s are not used. Here we have a 6, there also a 6. Okay, so we need to wait. How about the 4 then? Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4. 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in a column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, last row. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. A 5 should be here, and a 9. It goes there, finish in 19 minutes. Well. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles I will do. Until then, bye-bye for now.